Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to delete your search history in the Google app. So let's get started. Open the Google application on your smart device and check if you are signed in to your account. By opening the Google application on the homepage in the upper right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture, which you will click. Then in the drop-down menu, you will look for the option Manage Your Google Account and click on it. Then on the next page under your profile picture, you can see a bar with options from which we need the option, Date and Privacy, and click on it. By clicking on the option, Date and Privacy, a new page will open where you can look for the Search Personalization option in the drop-down menu and click on it. The application will open the following page where you will also search for the option, Search History in the drop-down menu and click on it. This is where all the magic happens, as you can see for yourself. When you drag your thumb up, you can see what you searched through the Google application. In order to delete your search, on the right side of the screen and in the middle, you can see the option, Delete, which you will click. A small window will open with the following options, Delete Today, Delete Custom Range, Delete All Time, and Auto Delete, but after 18 months. It is up to you to choose which of these options you want to activate and click on it. In our case, we will choose the Delete Today option and click on it. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily delete your search history in the Google app, giving you more privacy and control over your data. If you found this video useful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.